We're here in the Meadows building at Shannondell. Got a pretty cool project going on where we're taking 26 units and turning them into 13 bigger and better units. So we're gonna go check in with Curtis, the superintendent, and see how the project's going. Let's go. Curtis, hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Place is looking good in here.
Thank you.
Wondering if you could just give us a tour and tell us how you're making this transition happen.
So this was 2 smaller units that were just a bathroom and then a bed. You can kind of see the old footprint of the bathroom. But now, yeah, we have the plumbing roughed in. This is where the new kitchen's gonna go here. We'll have a sink, lower cabinets, fridge in the corner, and then 2 upper cabinets, the microwave. And then this is a doorway we put in the demising wall to make the 2 units into 1. And the footprint of the existing unit pretty much stayed the same bathroom-wise. We added a closet, so they had storage for all their clothing, and then the beds will go on this wall.
Feels like a really good unit. I mean, really good light. And yeah, just a lot of living area. So probably next time we come, we'll be standing in a pretty finished unit.
Yeah, and we start hanging drywall. We'll, start finishing, and then painters will come in and trim, and that's when we really start seeing the beauty of everything.
Awesome. Well, looking forward to seeing that, Curtis.
Yep.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you
We'll
so
see you
much.
guys next time.
Appreciate it.